Hello everyone. It is a beautiful rainy morning here, and I was just thinking how wonderful is this nature. In our busy lives, if we slow down for a while and have a closer look into Mother Nature, we can see miracles in every bit of her. Nature is the best teacher. Just like a mother, she takes care of every creature living in her lap. If we observe keenly, she can also be a best entertainer and a best friend in our lonely times. Let's all be in harmony with her and enjoy her coziness. So friends, here is a small herbaceous plant which is known as Ganike Gida or Chavi Gida in Kannada. The botanical name being Solanum nigrum, it is commonly known as nightshade plant in English. It bears a lot of tiny cute flowers and little fruits, and my little daughters enjoy collecting these fruits and eating it. The fruits and leaves are very nutritious and known to have many therapeutic values. Just like this plant, there are a number of wild but edible plants around us which has been largely ignored. Definitely these plants are untapped source of nutrition. Let us try to know them better so that we can protect them. So today I am going to show you all a recipe using these leaves. ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಬಿತ್ತಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿತ್ತು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಮುದ್ದುದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ನೀನೇ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದ? ಅಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನೀನು.
ಎಂತ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಸಿಯ? ಎಂತ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಯ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು ರಜ.
ಮತ್ತೆಂತ ಬೇಕು ಸಸಿಗೆ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಸಿಲು ಬೇಕು.
ಬೆಸಿಲು ಮತ್ತೆಂತ ಬೇಕು?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಣ್ಣು
ಬೇಕು. ಮಣ್ಣಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಡುವ? ತುಂಬ ಚವಿ ಸಸಿ ಮಾಡುವ?